we have all these topics of innovation, operational excellence. You cannot breathe without these topics.
Right.
But on the other end, if you can lead with intent, you know exactly when to automate, when to innovate,
Right.
when to standardize, when to push beyond boundaries, and when to reinforce on the team.
Right.
As long as you live with those expectations, with a very clear expectations, that's a game changer.
Yeah.
That gives the right balance in terms of how you really want to operate and how you want to create that magic to happen. A true digital transformation is much more than system modernization. Of course, adapting to AI or adapting to cloud, all these are fancy buzzwords, kind of treated as innovative digital state-of-the-art solutions.
Okay.
But to be honest, these are, from my view, these are like enablers, and they are not the destination. It's not about what kind of technological change we have made in the systems. Assume we have implemented all these digital transformation, so-called fancy way of shifting the element from one point to another.
Right.
What really matters at the target point is about how do your people think now? How do they operate now? Is that the change that they operate? Do they feel the value out of this transformation?
Sure.
That really signifies the actual digital transformation model.
Right.
So the biggest challenge that we foresee in current environment is to align technological potential with business requirements.
Right.
So a lot of time what happens is we goes with a technology first mindset.
Right.
So we try to create everything with tools, frameworks and techniques.
Right.
Of course, we'll have fancy innovation and fancy tools, but it may not be impactful.
Okay.
So probably we have to look at it from a different perspective. So when you talk about innovation, in layman terms, innovation is nothing but creativity.
Right.
And a person to be creative, you as a leader is supposed to take care of few of the areas so that you can work on a very secure and safe environment.
Right.
The basic underlying concept to me would be on the psychological safety.
Very true.
The person should be given a freedom to express, freedom to operate in his own way, and then given all the support in case if he falls back with a negative result.
Right.
The whole point is about not just staying current, it's about staying relevant.
Right.
Again, relevancy is not more like technical fluency.
Right.
It's also about what kind of role you play to bring in an impact, to make it more adaptable and then more impactful for the entire business.